Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today video is imagine at T junction. So T junction, turning left and turning right. So the examiner would have looked for correct use of mirror signal maneuver MSM routine procedure. The examiner was also looking for correct positioning and approach speed at the junction. This is because these skills are essential for dealing with this hazard safely. Turning right across the busy road, particularly dangerous to drive safely and pass your test, you must be confident that you can judge and speed and distance of oncoming traffic safely. You also need to look out for other road user. So today our lesson is T junction, turning left, turning right. So this is I will show you here the MSPSL routine. You can use this T junction. So before we using already MSPSL routine. So this is the picture I will show you here. So this picture is show the T junction. So we are approaching T junction, turn left or turn right. So now
stay in the right side, near right line. We are turning right. Okay, check into mirror again, right door mirror again, left door mirror again, and keep going little bit forward. So when you see the parked car, you need to peep and creep. Peep and creep. Okay. English में बताइए. Okay. So when you see the both side parked car,
yes,
then you can go little bit forward, peep and creep. So go a little bit forward, peep and creep. So if you not clear view, then wait. When you see the clear view, then you can turn. So T junction, we are turn right. So after turning, immediate 3 mirror check. Into mirror check, left door mirror check, right door mirror check, and keep going straight. So this T junction, we are turning right. Again, next T junction, we are turning right. So keep going. Now into mirror check for following traffic, right door mirror check for overtaking traffic, left door mirror check for cyclist, pedestrian and curb. So we are okay. Your speed is okay, your position is okay, not give signal, so give signal right. So slow down again and stop at the giveaway line. So if you see both sides are clear, then you can stop at the giveaway line. If you're not clear, then go move forward a little bit. Because both sides the parked car, you can't see clear, then you can go a little bit forward, then turn. Into mirror check again and keep going. Excellent. So when you increase your speed, again mirror check. Okay, someone overtaking you, so you can check. Keep going straight. So next another T junction coming. So this T junction we are turning right again. So keep going now. This T junction turn right. So what we'll do now? First, into mirror, right door mirror and left door mirror.
Yeah.
So why you check into mirror? Following traffic. Yeah. Why you check right door mirror? Overtaking. Yes. Thank you. And signal about 5 car length before you need to give signal. Okay. Your position is good. Thank you. Keep going. So both side parked car you can't see the clearly, so you need to forward little bit. Check forward and little bit more peep and creep. When you see your view clear, then you can turn. And after turning, immediate into mirror check again. Okay. End of this road, turn right again. So mirror, signal. So mirror signal is good. Position is good, speed also good. Now peep and creep again. So go a little bit forward and check both sides clearly. When you see the safe gap, then you can turn. So someone reversing, so wait. So again go a little bit forward, forward, little bit forward. Another car coming, so wait. Again check. When you see your view clear, someone reversing, someone turning, so wait. And stay in the left side.
Wait. Oh,
Yes.
wait.
Keep going straight. Stay in the left side means left lane, not left turning. So don't worry. If you make mistake, you will learn more. So don't worry. So keep going straight. So we are turning T-junction turn right. We are learning T-junction turn right. And then we can T-junction turn left. So keep going straight. So wait, someone reversing, so wait. So next T-junction turn right, please. So someone park here, so you can use the right side. This is not a problem. So your side is blocked, that's why you use right hand side, no problem. So again you use your left hand lane and turn right, signal again. If you see signal cancel, then you can give signal again. So go forward a little bit. Now you need to effective observation. Go forward a little bit more. Someone coming, so wait. If you're not clear, then move forward a little bit. Right signal, so people know your intention, which way you are going. Wait. The busy road. Now you can go middle and check the zebra cross. Slow down. After zebra cross finish, now you can go. Into mirror check again. Who is behind you? Now overtake the truck. Speed up, 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 speed up. He's waving you. This gentleman waving you. He stop other car. So no problem. Okay, now next right, please. So we are learning right turning later, but now you can turn right. Turn right now. Turn right now. Turn right. Turn right. Stay in the left lane. Our target is T-junction turn left and T-junction turn right. So major road to minor road we can learn later. So now end of this road, T-junction turn left. So what we'll do now?
What? Right and then left.
Yes.
Then signal.
That means 3 mirror check.
Yeah.
Then you can. Okay, signal is good. Now position is left hand side near yellow line, not hit the curb. So go forward a little bit. If you're not turning yet, we'll straight now. So when you disappear your corner, this corner, then you can turn. Go forward a little bit. Now into mirror check and turn. So T junction you are turning left. Okay, so now next right, please. Next T junction turn left now. So before we turning right, now T junction turn left. So when you turning left, what will do? Mirror and then signal and position, not hit the curb, 1 meter away from parked car. So go forward, not turning yet, stay to your car. Go forward little bit more, not now, little bit more, more, more. Now turn. So if you turn immediate, you can hit this car. So now next T-junction turn right, left please. So mirror, signal, position, not too close, middle. Yeah, middle. You can use the middle. And go for a little bit more and check. So go for a little bit more. So when you see park car both sides, you need to go a little bit more. Okay. Thank you. And slow down. Little bit right. Little bit right. And turn left again here. Turn now. Slowly turn. Turn. Thank you. Increase your speed a little bit more. Right, please. Next T-junction turn left, please. So what we'll do now? Mirror first, yeah, and then signal and position is very important position. Now final look. So you need to peep and creep, and your signal already cancel, so signal, give signal again. Good, excellent. Okay, keep going straight. End of this road, T-junction turn left, please. So which mirror you look now?
Into right and left, then
Yes,
signal.
signal. Slowly more, little bit more. Keep going straight. Now, few times I guide you. Now end of this road, T-junction turn left. So I'm not guiding you. Independently you can use these 5 routines. MSPSL routine: mirror, signal, position, speed, look. You can use your own routine and you can turn left at the T-junction independently. Okay. Go forward, a little bit forward. Turn now. Speed up a little bit. No brake, you don't need to wait because This is the road bend, not end. Next left. Go for a little bit. Now turn. See, there is a parked car, so you can't go behind the parked car. Next right, please. And pull up on the left. Yeah. Go for a little bit more. That's it. Wait. Neutral handbrake. Neutral. Yeah. Relax. So when I said independently turn right, yeah, your mirror is not good, your signal is good, your position is good, and your position is good. So what happened before? When you turning, your speed is too slow, and also you didn't check the interior mirror. Someone behind you, they're stuck, because when you're turning, you didn't check the interior mirror. So if you not check interior mirror, maybe someone same time overtaking you. So when you approaching the T junction, not too slow, not too quick. This is also too slow is dangerous, and too quick is also dangerous. Why is dangerous? If you are slow approaching, maybe someone behind you, they rush, they overtaking you unnecessarily. And if you are too quick, maybe you not able to stop the giveaway line. Maybe you can go after the giveaway line, and main road lot of car coming. So this one remember. So only one fault, approaching too slow without looking mirror. Okay, so T junction turning right, approaching too slow. Now this T junction we are turning left. Now move off when it's safe and turning left. And second one we are doing the independently. Okay, when you move out, you need to signal. If you see the beneficial for other road user, then you can give signal.
Right.
Left, please. Next right, please. Keep going straight. Next left. Okay, now independently, end of this road, T junction, turn left, please. Use your MSPS routine. So MSPS routine is mirror, signal, position, speed, look. Okay, keep going. And this time I'm not guide you, so independently. well done. You done very well. Your mirror signal position speed look also very good this time. Thank you. So again, next T junction turn right please. Again independently. Before you turning here, make mistake. Too slow without looking mirror. So now this time you can do little bit better. Someone behind you. Check into mirror. Again and again. Thank you. Again, after turning, what will do?
Into middle.
Yes. Thank you very much. Now road sign indicate which way you going.
Right.
No right hand here. So flow marking, you can check the flow marking.
Yeah.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Not too slow. Behind another car. Not too slow, not too fast. Check into mirror again. Go forward little bit more. Okay. When you see safe gap, then you can join. Is it safe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Join. Avoid the bus line.